Hi guys, we're back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you a very interesting website. Of course, this is not a website, it's a browser, but it helps you mine Bitcoins easily. And you don't have to do anything. Just open the browser and it will start mining all by itself. There's nothing to do. There's no hard work. It doesn't take any of your time. Just leave the browser open and it starts mining for you. Okay, but where to start? The first thing you need to do is to click on the link I have placed in the description. That leads you to a page where you can download the new browser. This browser is called CryptoTab. CryptoTab is a browser just like Google Chrome, but with a difference that it can mine Bitcoins for you. Okay, let's see. When you click on that link, you will be to this page. Just scroll down and click on download. You can download the tab for Android phones. You can download the tab for Windows. Here I have downloaded before, so I just open the file and the installation starts. I accept the terms and the conditions. Here the tab is being installed. Okay, I click close. The installation is finished. You see it's a very lightweighted browser. There are a few instructions here. Let's take a look at them. First, it's well, not only you can make money by keeping your browser open and mine satoshis, you can also grow your network, and that network brings you even more money. In fact, the money you can make from your network is greater, way greater than the money you can make by mining. What I like about this browser, this miner, is that it gives you money not only for your first level referrals, but even for your second level, third level, fourth level, and so on. Okay, so the process never stops. You just refer a friend, and those that your friend refers to uh, are part of your network. So what is next? Well, it might ask you to make it your default browser, but you don't have to do that. Well, I don't really like it to be my default browser, so I won't do it. So I skip. You have to sign into the browser so that you can keep your income safe. So I sign in. Here is the sign-in page. I always use my Google account to sign into these pages, so that I don't forget my passwords and login information. And here's my password. Okay, now we're signing into our CryptoTab. You have to allow CryptoTab to use the information from your Google account. Before you can continue, you have to confirm that this is your email. So they send you a link, and you have to click on that link. And here is the verification code, CryptoTab team. And if you scroll down, you can see a very big blue button, confirm your email. Okay. Okay, it's Halloween. It's not how it usually looks like, but because it's Halloween, there are a few graphical changes. And there is a tutorial. You can go through that, but here I'm going to explain what these things are. First of all, this number, big number in the middle of the page, is how much Bitcoin you have mined. Okay, this is what you own. But how do you make Bitcoins here? If you take a look at the top left corner of the page, there is a slide bar. If you slide it to the right, it will start mining Bitcoins for you. And you can see your hash rate here. My hash rate is 24 hashes per second, but it rises up to something around 700, 800 at times. But I don't know why they change it, but that's what they do. So your hash rate depends on your CPU, on your GPU, on your processing power, on the processing power of your computer. So uh, the only thing you need to do is to slide the slider to the right and the mining starts. Every 10 minutes, this number will be updated. The big number in the middle of the page will be updated, and you can see how many satoshis you have made. Okay, now I'm going to slide it back to off mode because sometimes it slows down your computer. If you scroll down, you can see three numbers under the big one in the middle of the page. The one on the left is mined by you. This is the number that shows how many satoshis you have mined yourself by the power of your CPU and graphic processor. The second one, the one in the middle, is mining network. This is how many satoshis you have earned by the network of people that you have invited to this tab. Okay, so if you invite some people and they will start mining, and some portion of what they do is yours. Of course, it is not subtracted from their income. That's your commission. And the one on the right is your total earnings, which is the sum of the first two ones. And here you can use this link. Just click on the copy link button, copy this link, and invite your friends in your social networks. You can share this link on Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social network that you have access to or you have many followers on. You just explain what it is and add the link to your page. Then you can grow your network of people. Well, that's as easy as it could be. Don't forget to like us. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, because we are going to review more websites, more pages, more ways to make income. And if you have any questions about these pages, these websites that we introduce, just leave a comment. We will read your comments, and if there's a question, we try to answer them. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.